Who actually answered the questions that the polling company asked? They all used samples. That's a small group from a bigger population. So the pie chart of the result that you see is actually only a slice of a much bigger pie. It means it's cost effective, but it also means we aren't asking everyone what they think. Therefore, the results that you see will have a degree of error in them. So just look for the plus or minus percentage point in the small print. The bigger the sample, the smaller the error, but there will always be uncertainty in those figures. It also means two polls are unlikely to be the same. Just take a look at the three different polls that came out after the first leaders' debate. All three of these claim to be nationally representative, but whether a poll is representative depends on the population that you're sampling from. I don't know about you, but I didn't watch it. And much as you might like to watch football or Love Island, the actual viewers watching the debate are what is called a skewed population, and they're unlikely to be truly representative of the entire nation. So how do the companies pick their participants? Some participants are purely randomly picked. Some are based on panels of people who volunteered to be part of what the polling company does. And in some of those cases, some of those panels have in the past had individuals who've posed with multiple personas, so one person could be answering numerous times. The methods differ, and so the samples are always going to have different biases in them. And finally, beware of self-selecting samples. Social media is rife with these. If you see a question asked, it's usually because you're a follower of that user. So if you respond to a poll on X or Facebook, it's probably because you follow the person who asked the question. You probably share a similar worldview to them. The people who disagree are unlikely to see the poll, let alone participate in it, and the answers tend to be somewhat biased. So that's who was asked and who provided answers. The only time we get the view of everyone will be on July the 4th. And even then, you have to go out and vote.